Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you my live trading. So now I'm going to take trade in Nifty. The reason is market was slightly open flat, and right after market open, as you can see, there is a green candle. The first candle is green, and lots of novice traders or retail, once they saw a green candle, obviously they will jump into trade and going long. But as an experienced trader, what we have to do is we have to play against them or opposite them so that we will make profit. And now I'm going to short in Nifty Bank because retail people, they are going long. And now I'm going to short the market is because the retail, right after seeing this green candle, they will go long and they will keep their stop loss below that candle low. And now I'm shorting the market because I know that the market will hit their stop loss and it will fall. So now I have taken a short position in the market and I'm running in a small losses, but I'm still waiting for the trade until it hit their stop loss and hit my target. So now we will wait and see. And now I'm running in a small profit, but I'm still waiting for the market to hit their stop loss. And one more thing, why I short the market is not only because a 1 to 100 stop loss, is because the trend, the short-term trend is in the downtrend. So we have to play along with the trend. We cannot go against them. Always and remember that we have to go with the trend. Trend is your friend. So never play against the trend. This market, it tests my patience so hard, but I'm still holding my position because I know that the market will hit the retail stop loss and it will fall for sure. So that's why I'm still holding this put position and I will wait until it hit their stop loss. See guys, now the market is already hit the stop loss of those retail and it will still keep on falling. So now I'm still holding my position until it hit my target. Around this area I will book my profit. And this is what we call right patient in stock market. Now I'm running in a profit of around 30,000, but I'm still holding. I will wait until my target hit. And now I have running and a profit of 30,000, but I'm still waiting until my target hit. This is what we call right patient in stock market. Let the winners run, and if you are in a wrong trade, then cut it as soon as possible. Which means we have to minimize our losses as soon as possible. No hope, no nothing. But if you are in the right trade, then keep on holding. Let the profit running. Don't be in a hurry to exit from your right position. But it doesn't mean that you have to keep on waiting or holding the whole day. You have to know where to exit and don't be greedy too much. See ya guys, as I told you that the market will hit the stop loss of retail and it will fall. And now the market has falling and it is almost hit my target. So now I'm ready to book my profit. And now I'm running in a profit of 44,000 and I'm ready to book my profit. Guys, now I'm done for the day since the market is already hit my target. So now I have closed my position and I'm with a profit of 60,000. So yeah, see you later. Bye. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And now it's already 9 p.m. and today the market hit the retail stop loss and it's fall. And yeah, today I made good profit and I took trade only one trade with a profit of 60,000. Yeah, so that's it for today, and please do like, share and subscribe my channel. So bye and good night.